Hi class, Ms Harriete here. I hope you are all fantastic. Now welcome to your science class. Yes, we have a little experiment to do today. Now what you will need is water, oil and food colouring. Okay, so we are going to see what happens when we add these three ingredients together. Now first of all, let's add about 1/4 of water to this jar. You'll need a nice clean jar as well, which I forgot to mention. So you'll need about this much water. And then, let's open this because this is new. Be very careful with the oil. Make sure an adult is helping you. And we want to add another 1/4 of oil. Now I don't know if you can see what's already happened. So oil and water do not mix. So can you see that there's a separation? We've got the oil on top and then we have the water underneath. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? How that's happened. Without doing anything else, we already have a separation because they don't mix together. Okay, so Ms Harriete has yellow food colouring. I have blue food colouring and I have red food colouring. So let's see what happens. First of all, let's add a couple of drops of red food colouring to the mix. Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks cool. So the red food colouring has just stayed in the section of the oil. It's just floating there. It's not moving. Let's try the yellow food colouring. So 3 drops of yellow. Wow, it looks so cool. Okay, 3 drops of yellow. And now let's try, the red has just dropped down to the level of the water. It's just sunk. Okay, let's try the blue. So 1, 2. So when it's in the section of the oil, it looks a bit like a lava lamp. Do you remember those lava lamps? How these blobs of oil, of different coloured oil, are slowly moved around the glass when the glass is heated. Yes. So it looks pretty cool. So hopefully you can see this. I hope you can try this at home. So as we can see, can you see what's happening now? Wow, so the blue is now moving from the section of the oil and it's going down to the water and it looks really otherworldly. It looks very strange and alien. Almost like a weird tornado. Because half of it is in the oil and the other half is in the section of the water. Wow. Looks really cool. So I hope you can try this at home and see what happens when you add different ingredients together like this, and what kind of shapes and things you can see. Oh, look what happens. So there's nothing in the section of the oil now, it's all in the section of the water. Why is that, do you think? Why do you think that happens? Well, it's super interesting. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!